Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I was in a swap with a group called Made by You on Facebook, and I will link them in the description box for you in case you want to pop on over there and look at the group and maybe join. So for this swap, it was a gingerbread ornament and a gingerbread tag. Neither of which I'm good at doing, but this is the ornament that I came up with. It was I have this gingerbread die that I have had in my stash forever. I had won this in a YouTube giveaway a long time ago. So I cut it out of foam. This foam is from Hobby Lobby, and it's the 5mm foam. And I just decorated this little girl. She's so adorable. I know my recipient has a small tree. That's why I didn't mind it coming out so small. So all I did was use some rickrack on the legs and the arms, and then on the top, and I put a little bow on there. And these are the peppermint shaker bits that I had gotten, I don't know, some time ago. And then I put a piece of wire for the hanging element, and then I just made a small bow for it. So that is going to be my ornament to her. And then for the tag, this is what I came up with on the tag. Of course, the tag itself is from my stash, and I doubled up on the tag so it would be sturdier. And then the poinsettia is from the Heartfelt Creations that I had hauled in my design team package. And this little gingerbread is a bow that I got a long time ago, a gingerbread bow. And I used the gingerbread to put inside the mixing bowl. And these are cookies that are being made. Put the word sweet on there. This gingerbread is holding a little candy right there. And then this is the bow that goes with the gingerbread. I just didn't put it on the gingerbread itself. And these are a Tim Holtz branch die that I have in my stash. And then I used Wink Castella for everything because I felt, it should be sweet and sugary. So I went ahead and put Wink Castella everywhere. And I just love the little cookies at the bottom. I went ahead and used, this comes in 2 sizes. So I used the smaller size to put the face on this cookie right here. And I just squiggled some lines around the cookies with a white gel pen. And then again, this is from my stash. And I really like the way the tag turned out, in spite of the fact that I'm not good at making tags. I really like the way it turned out. So those were my requirements. But I did find at Target, I found these glass Christmas trees. Okay, so I think this one was $3 and this one was $1 or $2. I don't remember. And I think they have a space for an opening at the bottom. I'm guessing it's for a candle, like the battery operated candles. I think it will look so pretty. So I just filled this with candy, and I just used some acetate to seal the bottom because it doesn't come with a bottom. And it came in these 2 sizes, and I thought they were so cute. So I went ahead and bought these, put some candy in them for my recipient. But I also made her a big wand. Now this one is, I followed a tutorial for the gingerbread cookie. Her name is, I believe her name is Joanne Barandi. And she does all kinds of crafts with styrofoam. and I went ahead and made this one. I just thought it was so cute. And for the stick, I did put a skewer in the inside the stick so that it wouldn't bend. But I went ahead and made her that. And then I'm also going to give her the envelopes that I made with the hot chocolate and the bow die. So she's gonna get those as well. And this is going to be my swap to my partner. I really do hope she likes it because I enjoyed making them, and you know, hopefully she likes it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.